Welcome to the infront of your Blackshark 5, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings, and after that scroll a little bit down to the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see notifications, ringtone and alarms sections. We can here change and select one from these available notifications, the alarm, ringtone, on notifications, messages. For example, from any applications, here we can change the volume of the media, ringtones and notifications and alarms by just hold and swipe to the left or to the right side. That's volume panels. Also, we can here use a sound assistant. We can activate feature to adjust media sound in multiple apps, to activate multiple audio sources, and to allow speaker sound. Also, we can activate the silent mode by click on the switcher. Also, we can turn it off by the same way, and we can silence media in silence mode by the same way. Also, we can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode to set a schedule, so to set the start and the end time. To use the don't disturb mode when our device is locked, to notify about calls just from anyone, from contacts, just for one-on-one, and to notify about repeated calls in don't disturb mode. Also, we can turn on or turn off the vibration for calls and in silent mode. And we can turn on or turn off also haptic feedbacks, and to change the level, just intensity of the haptics. And in additional settings, we can also here activate or turn off the dial pad tones, the tap sounds, the screen tap sounds, the unlock sounds, the screenshot, uninstalling and deleting items sounds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.